Neasden Temple, officially known as BAPS Shri Swaminarayan Mandir, is one of London's most remarkable Hindu temples. Completed in 1995, it is celebrated for its intricate architecture and spiritual ambience, drawing visitors from across the globe. Serving as a vibrant hub for worship, cultural activities, and educational programs, the temple fosters unity within the local Hindu community. Its dedication to charitable initiatives and community outreach further highlights its role in promoting social harmony. The temple's presence enriches London's multicultural landscape, reflecting the enduring traditions of Hinduism in the United Kingdom and setting the stage for its architectural story. The temple's construction began in the early 1990s, showcasing traditional Hindu architecture outside India. Over 5,000 tons of Bulgarian limestone and Italian marble were meticulously carved by skilled artisans in India, then shipped to London for assembly. Ornate domes, delicate columns, and detailed carvings exemplify centuries-old craftsmanship, while modern engineering ensured structural integrity. Thousands of volunteers and experts collaborated on the project, blending ancient principles with contemporary techniques. This remarkable effort resulted in a place that not only serves as a house of worship, but also stands as a symbol of global cooperation and cultural heritage, inviting all to experience its spiritual and communal significance. Within its sacred halls, the temple fosters a profound sense of devotion and community through daily rituals and spiritual practices. Throughout the year, vibrant festivals celebrate ancient traditions, bringing together worshippers in elaborate processions, music, and communal prayers. These events create an atmosphere of reverence and joy, offering visitors solace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of purpose. By preserving sacred customs and serving as a centre for cultural heritage, Neasden Temple shapes the spiritual lives of generations, while its outreach extends beyond religious boundaries. Building on its spiritual foundation, Neasden Temple actively engages in community outreach through educational programs and initiatives. Workshops, open days, and cultural events encourage understanding among people of diverse backgrounds. The temple's commitment to interfaith dialogue is evident in regular forums and collaborative projects with other faith groups, helping to foster mutual respect. Partnerships with local schools and organizations provide unique opportunities for students and residents to learn about Hindu traditions and values. Through these efforts, Neasden Temple nurtures inclusivity and strengthens connections within the wider community, paving the way for its lasting impact. Neasden Temple's enduring legacy lies in its ability to inspire faith, unity, and cultural appreciation. Beyond its role as a place of worship, it serves as a centre for education, charity, and intercultural dialogue, drawing visitors from around the world. The temple bridges the past and present, offering vibrant festivals and architectural beauty that foster understanding of Hindu traditions. In a rapidly changing society, its ongoing commitment to service and spiritual growth ensures that Neasden Temple remains a source of inspiration and relevance for generations to come.